Hello, I am Sayeda Asha Siddiqa. I have completed my graduation and looking for further studies. In previous video, I did talk on periodic table. Now I am taking each element to explain it in more depth. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. Everything you can breathe, see, ingest or touch is made up of chemicals. All matter, including us, is made up of chemicals. This includes the whole earth, all matter in it and on it is made up of chemicals. As far as we know, there are a limited number of basic elements. Up to this point in time, we have discovered or created about 120 chemical elements constitute all of the ordinary matter of the universe. However, astronomical observations suggest that ordinary observable matter makes up only about 15% of the matter in the universe. The two lightest elements, hydrogen and helium, were mostly formed in the Big Bang and are the most common elements in the universe. The ground beneath our feet is made mostly from just 8 elements. They are oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium and magnesium. The earth core is mostly iron. The main elements in the ocean are hydrogen and oxygen. These are the elements that make water. Sodium and chlorine are found in small amounts in seawater. They make the sea salty. Other elements are found in small amounts. Air is nearly 99% nitrogen and oxygen. Another 1% is argon. There are some small amounts of other gases in it. Carbon dioxide is one of them. Magnesium is important to all life. All living things are made up of just a few elements. Animals and plants need small amounts of several other elements. Two of these are calcium and iron. In animals, calcium is an important element for teeth and bones, and iron is needed for the blood. The name is derived from the Greek hydro and genes, meaning water forming. Hydrogen occurs on the earth in the form of water. Every molecule of water contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen also occurs to a very small extent in the Earth's atmosphere. Hydrogen is the lightest and simplest element and with a ratio of 80% in the main ingredient of the visible universe. It is the most abundant chemical substance in the universe. The hydrogen is placed separately in the periodic table because hydrogen resembles the properties of alkali metals and halogens. It is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, flammable gaseous substance. It is a reactive non-metals. The Latin name of hydrogen is hydrogenium, having atomic number 1, atomic symbol H and atomic mass is 1.008. Hydrogen belongs to first group and first period. First group also known as alkali metals. Hydrogen belongs to s block elements in that it has valence electron in the s orbital. It is discovered in 1766 by the scientist Henry Cavendish. He is noted for his discovery of hydrogen, which is termed inflammable air. Prevalence of hydrogen are as follows. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, accounting for about 75% of its normal matter and was created in Big Bang. Roughly 3/4 of the sun's mass consists of hydrogen, accounting for about 75%. The rest is mostly helium, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements. 11% of the atoms in the earth crust are hydrogen. Most of this hydrogen is in seawater. In human, the hydrogen is accounting for about 10%. In earth crust, it is about 0.15% and in meteorites, it is about 2%. Thank you for watching. Do like and comment. and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!